What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Busch Gardens Tampa for yet another Iron Gwazi construction update, and we were just here less than 24 hours ago. Fortunately, we had an issue with our other update that we shot. We lost 4 memory cards, so we're back here again, and we're doing this again because we love you guys. Let's check out what's going on outside the park first before we head in. No wait really over here at the ticket windows. Hopefully there won't be much of a wait once we get inside the park. No wait to get through security or through the front entrance. We are on our way.
That is the whole
We can see the chain guide is now in place and part of the anti-rollback system as well. And now we can see the walkway leading towards the lift is in place. Alright, so this is going to be a little bit random, but recently the park changed some of the signage around, and we can see Cheetah Hunt is now Kraken, and Montu is now a bobsled coaster. That might be an issue if Grandma thinks it's going to be a bobsled instead of an invert. RMC crew guys are heading up to the top of the lift now. Alright, so one thing I do notice this week is the station and queuing is getting a little bit of work, as we can see some new paint, and the huts are pretty much done. Front entrance area now has some new graphics on it. Looks pretty nice. Another thing to note, we can see the cogs up at the very top of the lift hill for the chain as well. I'm expecting the chain's going to go on sometime either by the end of the week or early next week. Alright, so here's the watering hole, and there have been a couple changes with this. I want to show you right over here on the wall. So it looks like somebody keyed this thing, but actually it's for the pattern. So just like what we saw at the entry area, eventually this is going to have some new paint and color. Looks like crews are also installing more railing for the catwalk up the lift. Well, would you look at that? The rainbow bird is trying to be a pink chicken, standing on one leg. Pink chickens! They're being overrun by bagels. You know, seagulls, but we're in Tampa Bay, you know, bagels. Yeah. Secra, also known as a great view of Iron Gwazi. Let's go do that now. Skyride, and this was not open yesterday, so we're going to take advantage of it since it is open today and catch a ride. Well, Kumba is down today as they're doing a little bit of maintenance, you can see here. The Phoenix, and we told you in our last update that for 2020, this is scheduled to be removed and possibly replaced with a Zamperla attraction. If anything changes, we'll let you know. Falcon's Fury, also known as a great way to get an aerial view of Iron Gwazi. Let's do that now. And here we go. Animal Care Center, and word on the street is we have a new addition or two cheetah cubs. Yes, baby cheetahs. Apparently you can find them here at the Animal Care Center from time to time. Rhino Rally, and as you saw from Skyride, there were some markings over there. We said in our last update that potentially a new attraction could be coming over this way. We're hearing possibly an S&S Scream and Swing. We'll let you know if anything changes though.
Get the sun right there in the crest, in between the second tallest and where the drop is. Yeah.
Pink chickens, sleepy pink chickens. All right, one woke up. Hi, how you doing? Sleepy? Tuxedo bird. Also looks kind of sleepy. Alrighty guys, so the time is 4 p.m. and that means Christmastown Village is now open, so we can get a better view of Iron Gwazi.
Good.
Doing all right?
Yeah.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
We're supposed to be at 4. It's funny.
anyways, that's going to do it for our video here from Busch Gardens Tampa Bay for yet another Iron Gwazi construction update, and I am very happy to say the lift hill has been completed. Track is going down the drop, and a bunch of new ledgers and supports are up all over the place. Of course, we're going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.